channel UrjaaWealth again. Uh, I have again taken another trade, which is again and again on a bullish side, Bajaj Finance, which I have bought somewhere around 5348. I will show you the position, which is 5348 somewhere around, and at the moment the stock is trading nearby to 5359. So we'll just try to discuss the reason behind taking the trade, and then also what can be my stop loss, what can be my targets, and so on. It is purely based on the price action. As you can see onto the charts, I have drawn two trend lines, the red lines, which you can see. This is an excellent example of the consolidation which is available here, kind of a symmetrical triangle, and then it's ready for the breakout, right? So we will definitely wait for this breakout will or should happen above to the zone which I have marked here as this one, which is 5380, and which is also a day's high for us, right? So from that perspective, it makes it is essential for us to get this zone triggered, and then we can opt for another target for this particular trade. The target for me, at least from the intraday perspective, I can consider as 5390, and above to that it might want 5400 as well. Okay, so it looks to be a very beautiful consolidation at the bottom, and then of course if you see it on a daytime frame, we see an excellent descending pattern, which I can see here. From this particular zone, the stock is trying to take the reversal. Might be a short reversal, but on an intraday or on a positional basis, my target is somewhere around 5400. Let's go again onto the 3 minutes time frame. This is the zone which we need to take out. My position is still now into 2200 profit so far, which was, we will wait for this particular zone to be taken out. But guys, one thing we need to understand here is the bank nifty, it also trying to take up the U-turn from the same zone, and the same kind of a pattern, which is an ascending triangle pattern. And of course, when bank nifty was trading at around this particular zone, I took the entry in Bajaj Finance. Okay, and this is what I was looking at, kind of an ascending triangle pattern, and once bank nifty breaks this particular zone, it should fly, or short rally, or you can say the short covering rally, can be seen up to 33,200. So this is the zone which we will look for, right? So let's see how the trade goes on. I will be there into the trade. So this is at the moment 5372, and the profit is ranging somewhere around 2700. I will take a pause here and we'll wait for this particular breakout, and then we'll come back. Thank you. Bajaj Finance future is trading at around 5378 at the moment, and is trying to take the today's high, which is somewhere around 5380 or so. Okay, and if this is taken out, I think we should have a very good rally, the short covering rally into Bajaj Finance. It has created a kind of an hanging man pattern at this moment, at this juncture, exactly at the resistance, this one. It is very essential for us to take this particular point, 5380 zone. If not, then probably I will square off my position looking at this 3 minutes candle, how this has been designed now. If this breaks the low of the hanging man, probably I would be exiting from the positions. So this is essential, guys. When you're doing an intraday trades, it's very important for you to take care of these things from the risk management perspective, also from the targets and then from the stop loss perspective. For this, when I entered, I had the things in my mind, the stop loss of this 5328, that's a 20-point stop loss. Now I will have my stop loss done at the cost, which is 5348, somewhere around this zone. There is still a buying pressure, which we can see after the breakout here. Let's give some time to the trade. Okay, so we already have decided that we will have our stop loss at cost. That means we have nothing to lose. Now this is as well an kind of an ascending triangle pattern creation. So we are trading at the resistance zone. Let's see how this reacts. Bank Nifty at the side is again reading at the support zone. This would be our stop loss, which is 5348, which is our cost. I think it will not be able to break the resistance the way hanging man and then the bearish Marubozu has been created at the resistance. I think it is wise to have an exit. Okay, it has again started 5370. Bulls are again trying to break this wall, the resistance at 5380. We have Bank Nifty closely consolidating into the zones. Okay, again near resistance. This is another attempt by the bulls to break the zone, the price action zone, the supply zone basically, which is 5380. Guys, for you it is very important to understand what's the supply zone, what's the support zone, what is the demand zone as well. So all these are the demand zones, okay, and these are the supply zones. And you see this is a horizontal trend line and this is your ascending trend line, which creates a pattern of the ascending triangle, right? And here is an accurate breakout. Ideally, if you're a new trader, you should be taking entry above to 5380. However, I took the risk of 20 points here and also tried testing this particular zone as my profit. Okay, so let's see what we are now. Okay, again we got a selling from the top. If that's the case, we will exit at 5365, which is kind of 20 points again from the buying zone. So 1:1 ratio is also not bad when we are dealing here. Okay, I think we should exit with the small profit. Guys, thank you, thanks for watching.